Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do in this video is to run you all through how to use my event planning financial model to quickly and easily create pro forma financial projections for an event planning business. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point, I'm then going to introduce you all to my financial model, and that financial model is part of my event planning business plan template package. And I'm going to walk you all through the model, how to use it. And after the video is done, what I'll do is I'll give you all a link to purchase the event planning business plan template, which again includes the Word document and the financial model, if you are interested in purchasing it. All right, so with that said and done, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA doctoral candidate, also owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to write the business plan for you, as well as I can also do the financial projections with the business plan or just standalone financial projections for your event planning industry. Whatever your needs are, let me know. Love to help. Also, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance, so I do have some academics as well as real-world experience backing up my thoughts and ideas in writing and designing my event planning, business plan template, financial models, and so on. All right, with that said and done, let's go ahead and introduce the star of the show, which is my event planning financial model. So like I said, if you do buy my event planning business plan template, it comes with a Word document, which is the actual business plan, and also comes with an Excel file that is the financial model. When you open it up, you're going to be greeted with 4 tabs: your information page, the projections, profit and loss year 1, and then your income statement, which is your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. Anywhere you see darker colored cells, that is information that you can go ahead and change. And I'll walk you all through this template on this page real quick. But once you make any changes to the darker colored cells, it will update the projections tab. It'll update this, which is a summary tab. It'll also update your profit and loss tab, which is your profit and loss monthly for the next 12 months, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, and so on. And then any changes made on the information tab will also update your income statement tab, which is just an annual summary of your revenues and costs for the next 5 years. All right, so when you are trying to update, or when you are updating your event planning financial model, I always start with the revenue section. So the way the revenues work is I average it for, the revenue section starts with average event price. So whatever you charge on average for the event price, you're going to put that price right here. So if you're going to do one event and you're going to charge $2,500 on average per event, then for the price you put $2,500. And this is broken up weekly. It says weekly sales and weekly sales here. So you're going to put the number of events that you think you're going to be doing weekly. So for this template, or for this example, I'm saying that we are going to do 4 events weekly. Average price is about $2,500, and our variable cost is going to be about 40%. Once we put in those 3 numbers, then it's going to automatically generate our revenues and our variable costs, and again, it'll automatically update your profit and loss statement in your income statement. This one right here is number of days operating per week. Because this is structured weekly instead of daily, then this number needs to stay 1, so I wouldn't change that. The next section is going to be your labor costs. It's broken up into salary and then hourly employees. Salary is typically what the management team is going to pay themselves, or the owner. And for this example, we're saying that the salary is going to be $2,500. If you're going to pay yourself $3,000, well, this changes to $3,000. That's completely up to you. If you're going to have employees, put the number of employees here. Whatever the rate of pay is going to be, put it here. And then the number of hours they're going to work monthly, put that information here. If the hourly rate is going to be $15 an hour, just change it to 15. And again, all those numbers will be updated accordingly. Now, if you're not going to have any employees, then you just put 0 right there, and it wipes everything out, and you're good to go. The next section is your startup cost section. The first 2 lines is going to be investments. How much money are you going to invest to get the party started? The equity investment is the amount of money coming out of your pocket, and then the loan is how much money you're going to borrow. So for this hypothetical, we're saying that we need $200,000 to get this started, and the $200,000 comes from $50,000 equity investment and $150,000 loan. Now, once you add these two together, and that is $200,000, you want to the lines below it. These are your startup costs in categories. So you want to divvy up that startup, how much you're investing to start. You want to divvy it up into these categories. So whatever you start up, your startup, your investment is, you want to make sure it equals to your startup cost. So in this example, 200,000 equity investment loans 200. My startup cost underneath is 200 as well. And so for the startup cost, your build out is static, as well as your working capital titles are static, but the numbers can be changed. And also these titles right here, miscellaneous equipment, miscellaneous furniture, supplies, office equipment, miscellaneous, all this information, right? These titles can be changed to suit your needs. It's just these two titles right here can't be changed, and these two titles right here, the investments, those can't be changed either. But all of these other costs can be changed to whatever you see fit. The next section is going to be your monthly fixed cost. How much is your rent going to be? Utilities, office expenses, insurance, accounting, advertising, and other. Whatever those costs are, just update that information here on a monthly basis. Miscellaneous information is going to be your tax rate. Whatever your tax rate is going to be, just change it right there. The next section is going to be your growth rate. For the first 5 lines, this is your growth rates for the next 5 years. So whatever you anticipate your growth rate to be for year 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for revenues, you'll put that information right here. So for your annual cost growth rates, that is going to be right here. So you just go with whatever your growth rate for your cost of goods, your labor, your advertising, whatever you think it's going to be on a monthly basis, you'll put that information right here. The next section is going to be your loan information. Whatever dollar amount you put right here, so whatever where it says loan, it says $150,000. If your loan is going to be $75,000, then you put the $75,000 here. But once you do, whatever number you put in there, it will automatically update into this loan amount right here. And then all you have to do is change the interest rate and change how many years your loan is going to be, and the payment will be automatically updated and calculated, as well as updated throughout your profit and loss statement and income statement as well. So once you finish updating your all these darker colored cells, what you'll want to do is you want to go to your profit and loss statement and your income statement. You want to copy the new income statement, and all you do to copy it is just you're going to highlight the whole thing, hit Control C, and once you copy it, you'll then want to go to the Word document portion of the business plan and insert it into the appropriate section. So for the pro forma income statement, we've got that copied, and now what we'll do is we'll go over to the event planning. In the event planning Word document, we'll get rid of the old pro forma income statement, hit Control V, and now we have the updated financial projections based on our custom numbers. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my event planning business plan template, it comes with a customizable Word document as well as a tutorial, and that tutorial is in a separate video. It also comes with a basic financial model, which we just covered, and a tutorial for that basic model, which is this video right here. There are some limitations to my event planning business plan template. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. Also, if you have questions before you buy my event planning business plan template, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to answer any and all questions about the event planning business plan template before you buy it. After you buy it, though, I would refer all questions to my business plan tutorials. Check out my tutorials. I've got a lot of them there. It helps you understand how to use it, what changes to make, and so on. If you do want me to help you fill out the template, I do charge for that service. Keep that in mind. And then, so if you do want to buy the event planning business plan template, just visit this link right here. If you want to watch some of my tutorials about how to make the changes and how to use the templates, visit this link right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with tutorials and you don't want to mess with templates, you just want your business plan written by a professional, check out my prices page here. All right, hopefully this information is helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.